Hello friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored 52 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai has written a foreword. I have 42 years of diversified experience including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. In this video, I do a couple of exercises to overcome my back pain, and they also involve some of physiotherapy exercises. I have a chronic back pain, and for more than 15 years, I have a severe back pain because of my continuous writing. I have published 52 books. In fact, I have written 60 books. 52 have been published. I have been hitting gym for more than 40 years. Unfortunately, I was bedridden after the brain stroke in the year 2021, and I was on the bed for some time. Then gradually I recovered. I started walking. Sometimes I am forgetting, sometimes repeating the same thing after the brain stroke. I am using blood thinner, and I will have to use blood thinner throughout my life. I was blessed to be alive after brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I am a late bloomer with OCD, Dyslexic and ADHD. Add to that the brain stroke worsened my health. I am 60 years old with the mental challenges, physical challenges, financial challenges. I was born in a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. My life is full of struggles and suffering. I still belong to a lower middle class family with financial challenges. Doctors thought that I would survive, but I survived because of my willpower. This is a camel posture. My right shoulder and my right hand is numb. There is no sense to my right shoulder. So I'm using blood thinner, and I will have to use blood thinner throughout my life. And I have chronic problem with my right hand, right shoulder. I can't type and I can't eat. Lots of challenges. COVID has taught a lesson to the world that how fragile the life is. I was blessed to be alive. message from this video is identify the important challenges that are close to your heart and address the challenges, because life is very short. We are living on this planet for a limited span. Make use of your time wisely so that you can make a difference in the lives of others. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.